guys, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life and my channel. So today I have a $10 bag from Sephora. Let's see what I got. Okay guys, glasses, I need those first, right? Here's my little blue ones. So we're gonna open up the box. It has like a zipper here. And let me get my scissors, we'll cut the top off. If I find my scissors, hold on. There they are. Okay, so I think there is samples and deluxe samples in this bag. So we're gonna take everything out. I'm gonna put it down here on my desk, empty this. And looks like there's a little card inside where you can scan and save money. Says 75% off, and then I got this little card. So it doesn't tell me what's in the bag. I was hoping it would tell me what's in the bag. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. And there was another one, let me see if I find it, that came in the bag separate. I don't see it. We'll have to check. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you something. So today, I have this item right here. This item, you can move and stand it up like this. And it has a camera. Let me see where the camera is exactly in the back. Yep. And you can, here's the camera right there at the bottom. You see it. I can see the things that I want to see. So let's open up and see what's inside. After I figure out how this opens, there it is. Oh, okay, so it's one of those erasing. That's so cute. Look how little this is. That's awesome. So our first item is one of those little wipe off makeup towels that you throw in the laundry to clean. They're reusable. I got some in, what'd you call that? I got some in FABFITFUN. They were like a 3-pack of round ones. Super cute. I do use these. In the morning when I take my shower, I wash with regular cleanser, but at night I use these a lot of times just to wash off the makeup. Okay, and let's see what our second item is. Here it is here. Dermalogica, and then it says, or by the International Dermal Institute. And it's some type of like exfoliator. Let's see if I can get any. Oh, well, it's a powder. Can you see? So I guess you use this with some water and then you exfoliate. Okay. Now that I've poured that all over my hand. Okay, let's go to the next guy here. Okay, so looks like I have a perfume sample, which I like perfume samples. I'm very picky about perfume though. It's Valentino. And then it says Donna below it. And it is Bora in Roma. Okay, my hand's still all sticky from that. What am I doing? I don't know. That's all I can say. I don't know. So here is what it looks like inside. And then I will show you the front. So let's see what this smells like. I don't know if this is a cork our sprayer. Oh, that smells wonderful. It's very light. It is floral, but it's not overbearingly. Oh, yummy. Okay, so I've got this one. It smells great. It says CMIKO. So I would say Semica. And then it says dry shampoo perk up. Now I have been waiting for a dry shampoo in one of my boxes. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand. It smells good. You can't see it. It's just like a spray that you spray in your hair. I have never ever used dry shampoo unless I was in the hospital having surgery, and then, you know, they come in and help you shower and clean you. So this is my new one. I have a dry conditioner that I'm also going to try from another box. So I'm excited about that. Let's see what this is. This right here. This is what it looks like right now before I take it out. Let me see if there's anything about it on the package that I need to know about. And it takes a long time to figure out where to put your item behind the iPad where the camera is. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. See what we got inside. I'm smelling my perfume. Gosh, it smells good. I really like that perfume. A little dab will do you, though. I think I might have sprayed a little too much on, but, you know, it's okay. Okay. It's in this little packet, and I'm trying to get it out. Okay. It's a mascara. Can you all see that? I'm hoping I got it in the center. There we go. It's in a little, so this is like a, what do you call that? Travel, like a deluxe size, but travel. Let's see if it has anything on it. Go back into my, okay, the only thing that I can see on it, it says Surfer Curl, like S-U-R-F-E-R, and it's pretty, it's black. And I think that's awful nice to be able to have little ones like this, because when you travel, you can just take these with you. And they're small, that you can throw them away when you're done. It should be enough for, you know, the week. I like that. So that was in that packet. Okay, the next item I have, I'm looking to see where the actual, here, this is what I got. So let's see what's underneath of this. So it's a face cream, but it is Fresh Lotus, and it says Youth Reserved. So let's see what this Fresh Lotus Youth Reserve look like. Okay, so it's got a little thing in the top. This is what it looks like. There's a very light fragrance to it. But I can't tell what it is. Probably because I got perfume on. But that is awesome. So I got a face moisturizer. Vino Perfect. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, it looks like it's a moisturizer. Okay, Instant Brightening Moisturizer. Okay, so I got a sample of this. It's just one of those little foil packets, and it's a brightening serum or moisturizer. So I can try that one morning when I go to put my makeup on, because I do like to use the brightening stuff. So for $10, which is awesome. This was that powder, like exfoliating powder. This is the little face cleansing towel. This is the moisturizer. So there's 3 products right there. This is the dry shampoo, which is 4. Here is the awesome perfume that smells great. So that's 5. This is the mascara, so that is 6. And that is it. Make me look a little younger, right? So, yeah. Okay, guys. That is everything on my Sephora that I got. And I really liked my first bag. This was only $10. And it used to be something called like Sephora Play or something like that. But they don't do that no more that I noticed. But you can pull up subscription box on Sephora and it'll bring you up some different ones. I know there were some for like $14.99 that I decided not to get. But I just wanted to try the $10 one. That's not too expensive. But I did get 7 great items. So I am very happy with it, guys. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Subscribers, you are the best. I just love you guys. Thank you for commenting and liking my video. If you are not a subscriber, my name is Lorrie. Like I said, I do subscription boxes and reviews of products. I also do travel, a little bit of cooking, some skincare, makeup, and things about my life. I am legally blind, and so I may do things just a little bit different. Like today, I showed you, this was my new old, there we go, magnifier. So they call these a video magnifier. So you'll see me using it for different things in my videos, and I also use my iPad as a low vision aid. So hit the bell, subscribe, hit the like button, please. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.